If you're in need of a dependable replacement starter for your Ford Super Duty truck, look no further than this 12V OSGR, old-style gear reduction, starter. Designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, this new aftermarket starter is built to provide flawless performance for vehicles such as the Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty models from 2008 to 2010. With a power rating of 3.1 kW and 12 teeth, this starter is engineered to provide smooth, fast, and reliable engine starts every time you turn the key. This starter is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, including Arrowhead, SFD0122, Ford, 7C3T11000AA, 7C3T11000AB, 7C3Z11002AA, and others. This ensures perfect compatibility with your vehicle, so you won't have to worry about fitment issues. Whether you're replacing a worn-out starter or upgrading for better performance, this part fits like a glove and restores the reliable starting power your Ford truck needs. Installation is easy, and many customers have shared their satisfaction with how smoothly this starter fits and operates. For example, one customer installed it on their 2005 Ford Super Duty 6.0L, and immediately noticed a smoother and quicker start. They were impressed by how much more responsive their truck was with the new starter, and found the installation process to be seamless with no issues. This starter is backed by a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that you're making a smart investment. In the rare event that something goes wrong, the warranty ensures a hassle-free replacement within a year of your purchase. Built to last and offer top-notch performance, this starter is the perfect addition to your truck. If you're ready to replace your old starter and experience a more reliable starting system, click the link in the description to purchase this high-quality 12V OSGR starter today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and automotive tips.